Hi guys, I hope all is well. So we have an O-level past paper question of the year 2019. The session is October-November. This is question number 2. We'll discuss transformations, matrices, equations, reflection, enlargement and scale factor. Let's start. So we have this grid over here in front of us with three shapes A, B and C. Part A says shape A is mapped onto shape B by a reflection. That means this shape is mapped onto this shape by a reflection. Write down the equation of the line of reflection. Okay, so the distance between this point and this point is 4 units. The distance between this point and this point is 4 units. That means the line of reflection would be exactly in the middle of these points. So let's draw that. Let's draw that line of reflection first. So it should be over, one second. It should be here. And the equation of this line is y equal to minus 1. Okay, let's write that here, y equal to minus 1. The next part says describe fully the single transformation that maps shape A onto shape C. Now as you can see, first let me remove all of these points. Okay, so if you can see clearly, shape A is increasing in size when it is mapped onto shape C. That means this is an enlargement. So the first point that you can write here is enlargement. We can also calculate the center of enlargement and the scale factor using these two shapes. So let's connect this point to this point first by a straight line. One second. Okay, I hope this is visible. Then let's connect this point to this point by another straight line. And the point of intersection of these two lines would be the center of enlargement. One second. Okay, so as you can see, these two lines intersect at this point right here. So the center of enlargement is minus 3 and 2. So this is our second point. The COE is minus 3 and 2. Okay, the third point is let's find the scale factor. How to find the scale factor? Let's look at the length of the two corresponding sides on both of these shapes. So this line over here has 3 units as its length, 3 units. And this line over here has 1 unit as its length. But since A is being flipped and then enlarged, so 3 would be divided by negative 1 to get negative 3, which is the scale factor. The negative sign of course appears because this shape is being flipped. So the scale factor is negative 3. Excellent. The third part says transformation T is represented by the matrix minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. T maps shape A onto shape D. Draw and label shape D. Okay. First let's remove all of these marks. One second. Okay. Now, A is being mapped onto shape D by a transformation. That means all the coordinates of shape A will be multiplied by that transformation, by that matrix, and you'll get the coordinates of D. So let's multiply the coordinates of this point first. The coordinates of this point are minus 5 and 1. So if you multiply minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1 by minus 5 and 1, what do you get? Minus 5 gets multiplied by minus 1, you get 5. Minus 1 gets multiplied by 1, you get minus 1. So the first point is 5 and minus 1 right here. Then let's talk about this point. Okay, the coordinates of this point are minus 6 and 1. So we multiply minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1 by minus 6 and 1. And the coordinates that you get are minus 1 times minus 6 gives you 6, minus 1 times 1 gives you minus 1. So the next point is over here. Okay, then let's talk about this point, minus 5 and 2. I hope you can see it clearly. Let's multiply these coordinates right here. Minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1 gets multiplied by, what are the coordinates? Minus 5 and 2. So you multiply minus 5 and 2, you get, I don't know if it's visible or not, but minus 5 times minus 1 gives you 5, minus 1 times 2 gives you minus 2. So 5 and minus 2, this is the point right here. Okay, the last point, the coordinates of this point are minus 6 and 3. So we multiply the coordinates minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1 by minus 6 and 3. When we do that, the coordinates that we get are minus 1 gets multiplied by minus 6, you get 6. Minus 1 gets multiplied by 3, you get minus 3 or negative 3. So the last point is 6 and minus 3. Okay, let's connect these points with these lines and you have your shape D. I hope it made sense. The complete working of this question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and thank you for watching.